Hi guys, this is Adam, optionmindful.com, and in this video we're going to talk about creating risk-free trades. This video is related to option trading, so I'm talking about risk-free option trades. I hope you're going to like it. And of course, your first reaction when you hear creating risk-free trades or risk-free is there is no such thing as free trading, risk-free trading. Something like this does not exist. It's stupid. What are you talking about? You're a crook. However, relax, bear with me. We're going to make a trade risk-free. I'm not talking about initially getting into a position which is risk-free. We are going to have a position which has some risk in it, but then we're going to get rid of that risk. And that's the whole point of this video, to show you how you can do this. So stay with me, okay? And this is an example of a risk-free trade, which I created on DAO. I'm going to present this also on the trading platform in just a moment. So risk-free trade. What you can see here is max risk in this trade, this risk chart of DAO, is like $0. So whenever you stay with the price of DAO, whenever you stay like below 55, if DAO goes down in its price, wherever it wants to go, even go bankrupt, I don't risk anything. So my total risk in this trade is 0. However, if DAO goes up or stays wherever it is right now, which current win on this position is $258.15. If it stays at the level of 58, time is working for us. Actually, it's going to bring it even higher, above $300. And I can just only benefit. So if I go wherever I want to go above 55 cents, $55 of the price of DAO share, if I go up, I'm gonna exit this position with some sort of a win, and max win in this position is $500. So above $60 per share, I'm just gonna generate $500 wherever I stay. Even if DAO goes to $100 per share, it doesn't matter to me. This position is profit is limited to $500, risk is limited to $0. So it's a fantastic trade where you can just forget it and just let it expire if you want, and you will never ever lose anything from it. So how did I get into this kind of situation? I'm going to show you right now. So let's move to the trading platform. And this is exactly the DAO trade that I've been talking about. You can see the same risk chart, and I'm just moving my cursor here. You can observe this box, and here you see the blue numbers here are showing my total risk at expiry. Here at this level is $0. However, if I go above the $55 per share, you see how this number increases and goes up to 500, and above level of 60, it just remains 500 forever. Whenever even if DAO goes up in price to $1,000, I will only have $500 out of it, which is pretty cool anyway. Right now I'm sitting at the level here 58.20 with the price of DAO, and it generates 258.50 bucks of return or win on this trade. Okay, so how did I create that? Well, this position initially had some risk in it. Like I said in the beginning, I started with simply buying one call, and this was this call here, which I'm selecting right now. I'm just going to bring it up a little bit here so you can see easier. One contract bought on DAO, valid until 19th of March 2021, 55 strike price call, which costed me $400 almost, $395. Okay, I bought it some time ago. So if you look at the price chart on DAO, this is where I entered this trade. Okay, I bought one call at 55. I paid $395 for it, and I was just waiting. So the trade initially had $395 risk in it. That's the risk that I've been talking about. So how did I make it risk-free? Well, just after I entered this position, I also entered a good till cancelled position on DAO, which was -1 call at level of 60, for which I requested exact same number of premium in dollars, so $395 to receive for promising to sell DAO at 60. Initially at the beginning here, definitely this position was not filled, okay, because it didn't make any sense. But my plan was, I saw that DAO can recover and go up again. That was my thinking here. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna put this trade good till cancels, and whenever Dow goes above level of 60, somewhere there, I'm sure the premium for that call, because this was at the money call at that time, will be also reaching the levels of 395. And that's what happened a little bit later in time. The position of one call at 60 got filled somewhere around here, this area. That was around 14th of January, just filled there, and this led me to have this position which is risk-free now. And you can see in the Analyze tab, I started initially with $395 risk, then the position went up to reach the level of $60 here. Right now this chart doesn't show you the proper price because we are further down in time, but back then it reached this level, so this became active. I sold contract. I received $395 premium for a promise to sell Dow at $60 until 19th of March, so same expiry date, and then that made my position risk-free. So you can see that initially I started with $395 risk. I sold a contract, same expiry date, higher level of strike, for the same premium a little bit later, okay? And that made the position completely risk-free for me, so now that's what I have in my portfolio and I don't have to worry about it at all. This is all I wanted to tell you guys. So this is how you create risk-free positions, risk-free trades, starting with one initial call, long call, and then selling a same kind of call, one call, but at higher strike level at the same premium price that you paid for the initial call. Very, very simple. You can do the same thing with the put contracts and play with it. And I invite everybody to play with it on a simulated trading platform before you try this on your live account. Coming back to the slides, also guys, I would like to use this occasion to invite you to join my Instagram channel, the Twitter channel, the Telegram channel, which is now became active recently. Not many followers there, but we're building it up. And definitely visit optionmindful.com and check the Academy. In the Academy, we have a lot of interesting programs. I would like to invite you to discover Option Trading version 2 course. This is a new course which I just finished recording. 12 weeks training. So you will have to spend 12 weeks or 3 months to learn option trading with me. Lots of videos on Greeks theory, on building your first portfolio, on generating profits from different types of strategies. I really highly recommend this. Just get in touch with me if you're interested, and I can provide you access to this training. And until then, guys, happy trading. Wish you a great day. I hope you liked the video. Talk to you soon on the next one. Ciao.